What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jah back again with another video, and we're gonna take a revisit of the Samsung Level Actives, a pair of Bluetooth wireless headphones that basically more towards the active lifestyle. So the gym, outdoor activities, bear wrestling, whatever you do on your spare time, these are a good fit for you. Now, as of this video, the blue pair are $20 right now on the Samsung site. I will post a link to that below. Any other colors are $80, I think is the price. So yeah, it's a big discount, so get on it before time expires, whenever that is. Now in the earbuds, you get a micro USB charging cable, you get a set of earbuds themselves, it's a cable management clips, and you get a set of ear fins. The buds themselves have the ear hooks already pre-installed. It is recommended, I'm telling you from just experience, trial and error with the earbuds tips, because yeah, if you don't find the right pair, it won't fit, it'll keep falling out, even with the hooks. So definitely go through and find the right pair. Now on the buds themselves, the left one does have the housing for charging the battery. So you just have like a little notch right here, flip it back, boom, charge it. The right one does have the power button and the active key. I'll go to that a little bit later. And you do have the standard inline controls, pause, play, volume up, volume down, standard things on the earbuds. Now with that, it does have a companion app. Let's just go in here. That you could do all your volume controls directly from the app. You can set your active key, and that basically lets you push the active key and you can have it read the alarm, set a timer, check your S-Health, or open up your favorite app. So if you want to open up, Messenger or anything like that, you can. So that's a pretty nifty little feature. Notifications, the general things, you can have it read notifications, incoming calls, messages, missed calls. Well, it won't read it, but it'll notify you when they're coming in. So if you don't want to be disturbed by them things, like you're in a hardcore, gym session, then you have the option to turn those off from your headphones, coming through to your headphones. Now the one feature that I do like the most is that, I don't know why I want to focus in. There you go. You have a battery indicator. Now the battery on these gives you about 5 hours. Now with that's just roughly, with half volume, you probably get 5 hours. But really, you have an indicator to let you know your battery's low. It's like your phone. Your phone lets you know it's low, you charge it. Boom. You use these often at the gym, you check the app, it's low, you charge it. Simple that. But these are pretty good. They're good gym headphones. They're not audiophile or anything like that. If you just want a good pair of cheap headphones to go to the gym, these are a good pair. So I would definitely check these out. Check on the Samsung site. I'm just not guaranteed if you're watching this in the future, it'll be the same price. But for a pair of headphones that came out in 2016 and now they're $20, that's a good deal. I wouldn't pay $80 for them. I'm fine with $20, but $80 for these, I wouldn't pay that. I'd get something better. But thank you guys again for watching the video. Appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, share it with everybody. Share it with your pet guinea pig, your pet roach, or your pet rat. And until I see you guys on the next one, peace.